everyone, I'm Kapil Mahani, partner of Cretum Advisory and leading the cross-border trade and indirect tax practice. We are coming on one of our webinar on doing manufacturing in India under the bonded warehouse, private bonded warehouse, and what are the incentives which are available under the India customs from the point of view of saving the duty and certain benefits which are provided under the law for doing manufacturing in a bonded warehouse, which includes even a private bonded special economic zones and free trade warehousing zones, and the kind of free trade warehousing zones which are available in India. A comparison of the duty study will be done in while doing manufacturing or any other activity in a private bonded warehouse versus free trade warehousing zones. So request you to kindly all join who are looking for manufacturing in India and working under the cross-border trade. Thanks.